this video, I'll be showing you how the people of Ebonyi State in the eastern part of Nigeria transformed this to this.
Hello guys and welcome back to Epic Food Review. In today's video, I'm at Wofe in Izi local government area of Ebonyi State to eat one special dish. The food is called Acha. And today you are going to watch an Izi person prepare Acha the way the Izi people prepare it. Let's go.
Achicha or Acha is a food made from dried yam or cocoyam.
We have two types of achicha.
Okay.
We have the one we're doing with yam and the one we're doing with cocoyam.
Cocoyam, okay. And the two of them, the taste is different?
Yes.
Oh.
It's different.
Okay.
The yam is dried during the dry season and used for food during the rainy season.
We are eat it during rain season.
Okay. Okay.
This food is popular among the people of Ebonyi State and Enugu State, but the both states have their own ways of preparing it. Today, we are going to see the way the Izi people of Ebonyi State prepare theirs.
Is it possible for you to show me how to cook the achicha?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So you show me now.
The main ingredients include the achicha, onions, crayfish, sweet potatoes, akidi or African black beans, garden egg, dry pepper, and pumpkin or ubogoro in Igbo language. Start by soaking the achicha in fresh water for a few hours to soften it a bit. Transfer the soaked achicha into a cooking pot. Add water and put it on the fire. Wash your pumpkin and cut into large chunks. Remove all the seeds and add the pumpkin into the pot containing the achicha to cook together. Adjust the water to accommodate everything in the pot. Peel and wash your sweet potatoes and add them into the pot. Allow everything to cook till soft. Wash the akidi and garden egg and put them in a separate pot. Add water and put it on fire to cook till soft and well done. As everything is cooking, roast and pound your dry pepper and set aside. After 20 minutes of cooking, bring down the pot containing the achicha and sieve out the contents. Mash the contents till you get a fine consistency. Transfer the mashed achicha into a container or pot and set aside. Here we used the mortar. Once the akidi is well cooked, bring it down and sieve out the water and set aside. Now it's time to make the sauce. Heat up some palm oil in the pot. Add your crayfish. It is important you don't pound or grind the crayfish. Also add lots of chopped onions into the pot and fry together for a few minutes. Don't fry it for too long or the onions will burn. Now pour the roasted pepper and the akidi into the container containing the achicha. Add the sauce and mix everything together. Add salt to taste and your achicha is ready to be served.
Alright guys, it's time for us to taste this acha. Okay, from the look of this food, it looks like, to me, it looks like porridge beans. But I don't know if it's going to taste like porridge beans. Okay. Wow. This food doesn't really taste like it looks. It tastes very soothing, like a comfort food. It's smooth in your mouth, but it has a little bit of rough texture. I feel like it's from the yam, the dry yam, but it's very, very flavorful. I can taste the fried onions. Also, I got the egg inside there. This got the egg added to this, gives it a sour kind of taste. Then the sour taste combines with the whole flavor of the dish to make it so unique and very delicious. It's really a very delicious food. The onion sauce that was mixed with this food makes it a very, very delicious food. I can eat this every evening for a week. Okay, so it's very, very nice. I like what you prepared. Thank you very much. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you love this video, like, share, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook. And always remember, eat to live while I live to eat. I am Mr. Epic and see you on the next one. Let me enjoy my food.